Hey, I'm Aisha and you're watching the Wise Choice Hub. I hope you have watched my previous video about formal letter writing. If not, please do watch because this is the second part of the video on letter writing. So let's get ready to learn about the informal letter writing. What do you mean by an informal letter? An informal letter differs from that of the formal letter in terms of relationship between the sender and the receiver. An informal letter is written to close people, those may be friends, family, relatives, etc. An informal letter is used mainly for personal communication. As studied in the previous session about formal letter and its parts, here too the informal letter has its own rules to follow. The first one is the sender's details. The second is the date. Third is the salutation. Fourth is the body of the letter. Fifth is the complimentary clause, whereas in the formal letter we call it as subscription. The sixth is the name and sign, whereas in the formal letter we call it as signature. So here also you have the 6 parts in informal letter writing. Now let's learn by watching this video how to write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to your brother's wedding. Now let's begin writing the informal letter. The first part in the informal letter is the sender's details. Now we have to write down the address on the top left hand corner of the page. Do not put your name, only the house name, number, locality, city or town can be written. Here I have written as Isra Mansion, Building 5, opposite St. Mark's School, Malleshwaram and a comma. Now, next line you have to put the date. So, I am going to put here 12th October 2020. Next part, in the informal letter comes the salutation. Now, as we are writing a letter to the friend, I am going to write it as Dear Bestie. Put a comma and come to the next line and begin with a para. And you are going to write the body of the letter, which is the fourth part of the letter in the informal way. I hope you and your family are in good health and the same over here. It's a long time since I haven't written to you and I apologize for that, dear. Life has got to be so busy during this lockdown pandemic that I have to devote every day 9 hours of working from home. Full stop. Come to the next line, begin with a para. You will be quite happy to hear that my eldest sister Sophie is getting married. Full stop. The wedding is fixed on 30th October in Mumbai. We will be leaving Bangalore on 26th October by flight. And I want you to be a part of our family function. Sophie D has personally conveyed her invitation to you and your family. It will be very nice if you join us and we will have a great fun together at the wedding. There are many themes assigned for the programs during the wedding. It's gonna be filled with thrill and excitement and I don't want you to miss this. Now come to the next line and again begin with the para. Well, I'll be calling to wish you on your birthday and we will discuss about this in detail. Till then, please take permission from your parents to join us for the wedding. Convey my regards to all at home and I will be sending the invitation card through WhatsApp as the wedding cards are not yet printed. Full stop. Now this is the end of the body of the letter. Now come to the next line and write down the subscription, whereas it is called as complimentary clause. Yours lovingly and a comma. The next part of the letter in the informal is the name and sign. That is the signature. Now you are going to write your name and sign. Now we have come to the closure of the informal letter. Here is another informal letter for you. Imagine you are Anudita or Ahmed residing at Gokula apartment, Mangalore. Write a letter to your cousin congratulating him or her for scoring the state level rank in SLC examination. Door 420, D Block, Gokula apartment, Puttur area, Mangalore, 18th October 2020. Dear sis, hearty congratulations. I'm so happy for you, dear, that my joy knew no bounds when I saw your name and the pic in the news channel announcing that you topped the second state level rank in SLC examination. The whole family was dancing with joy, cheering your success. After all, your hard work is rewarded. What are your future plans? What stream of course you want to choose? Please do share to me. I think every college will be more than happy to offer you a seat in their college. You have set an example to all of us who are a little lazy and not organized. Let these colors of success keep motivating you in the future too. I wish you good luck in times to come. Waiting for your favorable reply. Convey my regards to all at home. Now yours lovingly, Anudita. These slides will help you know the difference while writing the formal and the informal letters. This slide will help you writing a letter or email in a formal or informal way. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Now you're going to like and share my video with your near and dear ones. If you're watching the video for the first time and you haven't subscribed it, now you're going to subscribe by pressing the bell icon for the latest notifications. Bye bye, take care and keep in touch with the Wise Choice Hub.